nanso political party biano
107.3
to be very successful oyinde nyansafo bam
say political party bet me succeed a enya nyansafo na former political party na succeed
debi
why
oyinde nya ye kwase ma ye ho say ye nyansafo a da wo to abompon na ye atwemanso enyansafo wonye politics
nyansafo wonye politics
debi
this deep
indeed so was nyansa p politics a nkokan or there ametiwe as my MP me chairman me a mistake me yam from dumpa otumi hwe me oka de ma yam from do party ninti some kasa na man kasa ye ya or there me chairman otumi gitumi de o man kasa ye nanso weje maka
okay
or there constituency secretary and a youth organizer oyini nua nya ntawantawa azicha okay the mejem mpojat masa
Ethiopia leader
se adwinkyere bi na ankoye ya azicha wejem na za dodo no kan wonyina was wa kuma ateyichi se damaba onkunimzize echi
okay
se nyansa no doso a ozunkugu nam inti bon de mubotu mu meeting asam kromo baka mu wieda manso wobotwa mpemfo betna wo sesi na sila ayezi wo ho na wo sesi ayezi wo ho oyenyansa dodoa oseyaze inti se ekura anye kwase amakor today yewo parliament yenyina ye 87 na yanye kwase amaye ho na yenyina yesu ye nyansen
minimfo
obi se ono okita PhD obi susu mikita double masters obi susu mukra Ivy League school obi susu mankete mu misika debi se yenyina ye go ye ho de tinapa no mobio na
tinapa mu dan
no mobio
dompe na wo kasa na wo tinapa mu no mere no
correct
okay
na yenya ye ho abotar na yeji ye ho fum dutum de ye leader crampo no he is not the perfect person but he is all we have leader why a mistake yen correcting yen kanumfu a backbencher why a mistake yen kan correcting yen kanumfu a na yakeka yen hufua ne damno na yezenkunyimzi na yezre befie dama no okodo wo various constituencies inti se yenya ye dama trust me amem was Jesus Sunkun 2028 ma minim baby adami Jesus ni fi but from day one what's way in minye Jesus bi wo mumu there look achen so mbui ende na ansa na minyi ho me hwe proceeding was TV do ene da so na minyi ho me hwe proceedings was TV do ende na nyankopon na adom odimbodu asumdwem na mo wakwentum kakra na mukatsa parliament na me hwe MPP fo pa ye debate aye me say odefo MPP a chen aze because you can see talent at play mpojat masa
yeah
you can see talent at play etumu de se talent pass yankopon wa men bi
then the drive mo energy ni free him and
because
who cross a leader tell me I'm sorry say wo kasa me hwe odin I told you na was here and apart from obi oba in the first time ni but sorry na wo kasa composure and the ni delivery ni everything on point then and the drive mo
well so far I think that yanyi yen wa kasa party biano nkuguba nkrofo wa bembubu
yeah
inti I can admit that initially no na turbulence kakra ho
na shebijafo ni bibira bamabu
yes obi wa wezi minister wie woteten unda koyoko enda NIB enda OSP so there were few concerns, but gradually members have come to a realization that all we have is a party, and it has shown in this budget debate. It has really shown. Mempe amrebo kese ni de flag bearership race nyame be ya adom 31st January 2026. Yes bokwe kogu na nyame ama ye new leader na yenye leader ni wia na chede oye forward match. Ebia flag bearership race no, because e been one preferences into no, that in a way no will create a certain impression.
Yeah.
But by and large, I can see that collective spirit that I've been talking about, that the desire, the energy. I'm a Mackay 2013 yeba parliament na yesusa na yeba tumpeyinfo na semen kai kasa memen kai korea honorable chairman sabonsu no a minority leader me kai the 2016 yakoto aba no no friend youngsters no no you academy brofi there afenyo perish the thoughts na abana amoko no yakona yelusu a MPP ebe haye nti munko ye adwumaden ayi nyimpa ze oye bia wo bona abado yeba parliament da me nkranhye na Chairman Sabonsu Dan Botwe Dominic Nitiwu na atoshi yesi ne akuri bafwewa. Those 5 leaders and what diemu make my first statement in parliament Dambocho Jinemechi the Dr. Sibeyeboa and Otro mam or prepare na mo win ba na say you come na ya tro within say we debate into mark na mark come too because hey chamber hono you know, and Mark was such a selfless guy. Sibeyeboa nessa so endorse party mu otrotro inye na anyankofo no ono ofreo okay no prepare and then leaders no so that level of selflessness wo bo na na wo hye in nkran yam papa akoto say of blessed memory o man an opportunity no train papa wusu ankoma no friend okay munya na dam na obi amwa was also there for us. Who again? W. Buafo, a cropon, short man danger, your man lawyer Penin, na a Major Dro, Major Nakasashi,
Derek Odro,
yeah, Derek, Major Derek Odro, retired. Honest not Yemupa, woman campaign for ye. The Anketi Amont, no so Ziemu. There, you could sense there. They wanted us to succeed in Pojat Massa. Yeah. And when I relate it to today, Mr. Anodon pray, look, Nimpaze Oyebia Waka. Ano is such a fantastic, hard-working chief whip.
Of course.
He cannot be a perfect guy, just as I am not perfect. But if you're number Jerry Shaib Ahmed, he's a first timer. Wabe leadership, but a juma oriano or boni mianum, then ye mame papa mama part or ba pain oxim na why or batana or kakayen boom, and then Habib he's such a fast learner. Habib Miss Habib has grown taller than his height. You know, Tolon warrior, very hard working. Habib Miss Habib Miss Omu me pede issue proceedings ni na rules no parliament. You don't need to be a lawyer to learn the rules, but Habib kasa Habib Idris or kasa or parliament or invoke rules na yes, all right. And behind us is a Nitiwu. He's been a father figure. Onye honorable Anyimedu. And then Kobe, Tokrade, yeah. And then paying Ogunde, you know, Bibianya, Animedu, Orba, or Chanadrin, then Amprechum. Amprechum is also such a father figure. And same bill how Kokosa, he will be the first. No way to Anamon. I say, look, Kwamina, Yayin say, Okasansa, Nasam Krupe, no quar. Nitiwu would always call or reach out leader Munyanide because he's been a leader before. And your backbenchers, you know, first time MPs, you know, they are sharpshooters. They be honest, look, if we are collective, them 87 year 2028, the minimum seat we'll get will be 140.
What was the minimum seat
we'll get is 140. Mark it on the wall. Hey, you see, yani anomno power na wonye no wa fan fala bi na amu akontim intinde mpo no you could see that they are trying to introduce a certain culture of silence. Kasa wompede kasa wa mama hondu bi abowomu na dem it's okay. Amezi maka cheminuanum, let's research and raise the issues and debate them.
Okay.
Onya twerko and focus on the issues at the grassroots. Se nkabom bi ba na ye kor na ye te ya hwansa MPP ye base no onya da ye base nkugu. Look, as our NDC was a Chinese there, they had a sense of unity.
Okay. No,
it doesn't mean that they didn't have problems. Look, let me take you back into memory lane. When Omanpeyin Kufuor winning 2000 election, look, NDC was so much in chaos. I remember that it was even difficult for them to have people to go on radio. No, the party was in chaos, complete disarray. But it took some few people to rise up. I remember that it was difficult for NDC to ask questions. One veteran in Victor Beho, no unlaw MP that time as independent. I remember watching him on TV. He had the courage and said, "What is going on? People come in 2 minutes now. Can they ask questions?" I remember that intervention, and that brought a certain awakening. Those days, Abang Bagbinyara, Hanatete, Doa Jaho, Moses Asaga, E.T. Mensah, and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Damanka Kreyaro. No one do 7 or so won't do 8. They started activating the new NDC branding now. And eventually gather momentum.
Okay.
To the extent that even in 2004 elections, they were able to reclaim some of their seats. Ayeje, Dade Kotopon, Ashama, Wajiwazi, Mbojatmasa, and other seats. And by 2008, Ebufua no wagana fuwomu PNDC NDC 19 years rule Ebufuni ya eden ekoma Professor Mills of blessed memory na obia nyenyi dadodo Ghana fukra wa writing off no one atimasa.
Yeah.
So me pede MPP fu ya de hyen nkran a chenso mbui.
Okay.
Now mamanka da masemi so for those who are facing prosecutions and investigations, don't be heartbroken. Don't be sorry for yourself. Listen. Those, and I'm speaking to the heart of all those going through prosecution, going through investigations. Look, Mama wakumentu, Mama inhumbi bomu. It boils down to one thing: collective spirit. Politician be a bokon soshim. A politician, not the one shem, them amanyo semima, and social as bokum, you'll be targeted. I mean, I'm saying, oh, I'm in Kamasam, I go through all manner of attacks. How do you waste my time for?
Physical attacks and verbal attacks.
Oh, all inclusive.
Wow.
In Boja's Massa.
Both physical and verbal.
Everything. But I tell myself that my stepfather, who was at Pomazi Pottery, was demoted and transferred after 96 election.
Because of MPP.
He didn't give up. Why should I give up? Say NDC for Wabayam Deno. My determination is to fight for my party. JB Dankwade we were prison. And then answer, I pounce on Obechebi Lamte. Obechebi Lamte. Ne footage be drew ne funeral. Obechebi Lamte died in prison. 1963. Obechebi Lamte. We were prison. Wachini tu efiazi. Pa grant mu nyina was ofay. Ba force akoto impeyimfo na wote party no NLM wogum wode party no bobaz and wobre. But they were men of conviction and principle. Wokron so hwem. In the MPP biara, look at Bost MD. What's the name? Provincial.
Yeah.
Obia for the first time in the history of Bost, one more company are profitable. Then you arrest him. I want to tell Provincial, my brother Provincial, you know what? Weep not, my brother. Be self-inspired. Just wipe your tears. These ravening clouds shall not long be victorious. They shall not long possess the sky. And to all MPP appointees, ministers, activists going through difficult moments, let these difficult moments inspire you to serve your party. Or your social. The young man this was set up bail terms. One day it will come back and haunt them. Who think that my weapon a warrior says wait 1 year bia. We are going to the 2nd year and 3rd year. If they think that they will not enforce the law with a human face, so be it, they should go ahead. But ancher or wanafi. Inti minuanum MPP for them mesranye ekruye se yenyina ye nyansafo a party no ntum nkwane kan yengu yenwu de tinapa no mobio yenti yenwase yenwu de ye yazekor ye yefuru ni yemba.
Okay.
Etim na akam eyi nkasa eyi yedam na eyi suspicion na name calling targeting people. Now let me say something. Time I make secondary school, there was this woman, her friend Mrs. Awochu Pratt. May God bless her soul. Wewu. Mrs. Awochu Pratt, her friend Emino Onyemenyanku Brebo, her friend Ebenezer Akpanu. Ebenezer Akpanu is a medical doctor in the Neyako St. Augustine's. No friend Yakro Nasser. Make a fancy kakra. Then I know what's a sir. Yeah, mommy, no a teacher, your friend anti teacher. Or friend Yakro Nasser. No catching in there. Remember, St. Augustine's now Morocco no. Monke Mude. Moko Jina beautiful frubi. Na Munko Suyaze. Nanda Monke Mude. In you be Risa Kain. Na Obofoma. On in Chede the first.
Okay.
The master man has a 2 year to court. Or boy, in the end, Akpanu is a medical doctor. I became a lawyer. It is okay for every politician to be ambitious. A politician without ambition is not a proper politician.
Okay.
If you are a politician, you must be ambitious. In fact, you must aim for the trophy to be a speaker, to be president, to be vice president, to be minister, to be leader of your party, to be national chairman, etc., etc. Nothing stops you from being ambitious at all levels in politics. You know, baby, about target ibiano. It is okay to be ambitious. However, in situations where you think as a politician, your ambition starts from the very moment a colleague fails. You know, naturally you have a misplaced priority.
Okay. So we trying say obi be hwe ase ansa na woni so adi huna ba mu.
Or at all times you are scheming that someone you perceive as your competitor should fail.
Okay.
Then once it fails, an opportunity for you. I'm sorry, you are a failed politician. And that is what we have to watch. The collective success, you know, na obia beso nkwan wom. Look, nyankopon wa hihye ni bibia o. Ame metea. Manda ndwene de. Motu my whip, let alone deputy leader and a leader. What did I say?
One song die.
We came into power 2016. More boss Gabi Osare Dako Asare Oche Dako. AKA Prime Minister. Dakura Metro me memoir. I will write several pages in his honor. Gabi. Yaba power. Ya ye jumazin. Power aba. Post a watch menyebi. Even in parliament, committee impo.
I've won to committee so.
No. Menya committee leadership.
Right.
But now new MPs, newcomers were leaders at committee level.
Why? Ubisa won't question no.
Nimpa consortium. But we had people like Gabi sitting me down and telling me that, Alex, how old are you? You are in your 30s. Go and work hard. Politics is always like that. Work hard. Pray. Work hard. I remember one early morning, an incident occurred where a senior person in the party was pleading with somebody to give me the chance to serve on a committee.
Committee so akwa serve kra na wo mo pa.
And the person said no, I won't allow. And the senior person told me that take it easy. And I was going home. I was in my car, so dejected. And my friend Richard Sky gave me a hug and told me that, Dumega, in the fullness of time, all things shall align. That is why I have that Richard Sky quote in my office. Those were very low moments. Perhaps there were people who thought that crushing him would be an opportunity for them. But that's not how God does his things. Perhaps there were others. I remember Idi Muhaideen. Idi was writing some articles to project me, and I'd never met Idi. And somebody told him that, you too, why are you writing to talk about him? And that was upon the person texting Idi. Idi looked for me and came to show me. I was heartbroken. I said, and he introduced himself that I am Idi. I thought it was some old man because his writings were very deep.
Yeah.
And I met the young man for the first time. And I said, really? Oh. Meanwhile, that person had been made a deputy minister. So in the list, I was expecting the person not to even be shutting the young man up there. Hey, shut up.
Yeah, me too, I suppose.
But in the Shazanyamiaye, Oshem Nkran de Dachibi Wohomo Obia. Inti say a party member, nebi a pejina bi obi ne enya. Say enya nda, ochina beden benya. Don't sabotage the party.
Okay.
Why? I won my primaries in 2004. I was a candidate. I was supposed to be the MPP candidate in 2004.
Far back 2004.
And a day to filing, I wept at the castle. President Kufuor, Jacob Echebilamte of blessed memory, Papa Usu Ankuma, Lord Kome, Harune Seku of blessed memory, Damboche, Yaka Yen tax returns me now. I was supposed to be the candidate of Efutu MPP. What's it? Tnaho Usa. Yesu Yajitum. Mbojatimasa. 208, I lost by a single vote. 22-23. Mokro constituency chairman election. 206, I lost it. 205. Mijina constituency chairman, I lost. Minya 17 votes out of 50. So politics in social work. Into your party member na in social be bawakwema. Man ye wadwin da adenen say near sani wo fitele. Ombo ye nyina no mama nka da masam no. Ombo ye nyina den. Hwe won se chiribe ya odawa onka ya oda won se yem. Akufo-Addo obetene gwadui. Wa ye bia me ye nyina. Ebia na ansodo. Easy beam. Ebia na Akufo-Addo wa disappoint you. Easy beam. Ochina wo homo. Mpocha atimasa.
Meto asepa.
Inti mayama ya be mbubu. Ye obi be say let's take a deep breath and be easy on ourselves. Zesibia no. Oye. Yenke mu de osun kokroko party no na ye nyina
yesum no
na yamfa ye na adwene nguje kor na mena wo mpemfo ka wo de ibuma obobeye nanso keboma ibuma oyeye na party no ntum manu modo na yentum nkoye naka emi mo jezi
leader who started who can be say then a driver who as a leader ne minority no a mo ye adwuma sono I wo man yim na so dwafe wo see unity endorsement aba menim say ka boso mienu na MPP kon na kama koto aba na so dwafo no ebia atwe omuti omo Kennedy omo baumia omo C wo C D wo D ambassa unity no a wo kan ye no asay how as a leader.
Well, so far, all those who have declared their support for one candidate or the other, I see some decency in their approach.
Okay.
And for me, that is okay. Initially, I was worried that it could affect us so badly because maybe uncontrolled utterances here and there. But so far, let me commend my colleagues. There is decency. It's a one kasema. There is decency. If you konedama to 31st, which is the obobwa, because for me, I'm looking at the post 31st January. That is my main concern. That is why I took up this neutral or neutrality posture. And of course,
but you have a preferred candidate?
No, it is not an issue of preferred candidate. Don't let us go into whether or not you have a preferred candidate. What is important is my conduct as a leader. It's not about getting into that. You cannot be a leader and be acting in a way or undermine the unity of the party. So President Kufuor is a leader. President Nana-Addo is a leader. The national chairman, the general secretary. You realize that all these individual leaders, have taken a certain posture. Chairman Council of Elders, you don't expect Chairman Hackman to go and make a declaration, or perhaps ask him there, who is your preferred candidate? No. Because post 31st January, these are the people who will have to do some legwork to ensure that a Korea then Abba Obi today Joe Osewusu, chair of the elections committee, because of his neutrality posture. If you there's a word declare Mobi and Kobotu will occupy that position exactly, and you can ask him that what is your preferred candidate in Portugal Masa. So it is necessary for certain category of party leaders to take a certain posture
and stay neutral
and help the process of healing. And where I sit, nothing less is expected. And however difficult it is, I have to play that role.
Leaders, what is aspirants in be comments or more year or much for Casabia or more Kawa Bontia Yana to saying we are a member of the National Council and we a leader behind the scenes. Why engage your mo? Unwamudin komo mitigating measures being a put in place and a bear at Jobreba, assuming you know the anymore you bent enter into elections.
Well, without going into specifics, I think so far the party machinery has done well in terms of drawing attention to candidates and their followers on the need to be measured in language use. Even today, the party met all aspirants. I was supposed to be there, but I just landed, so I couldn't go. But even today, in the party share all aspirants. Discussions towards the Kroye, Asumdre, Oncherbia, Omampeyinda,
okay.
Oncherbia, Omampeyinda, Akufado, offer breakfast meeting, Wonifie, all aimed at ensuring that Nzamabokoye. It is a continuous process, and I think so far, so good. Yenina ye want asibi de oye egwa na ato ewe bushim na woper nti yendwen ochina ho, and I think that's what the elders have been drumming home.
Abusumi mienu edi enimu a ye kwakoto MPP abayi a sensitive time to you as a leader, minority leader.
Well, it's a sensitive time to all party members. How are the yekase? How are the it's also a time a propaganda piece kodo. It is to be expected.
Ntunu obi kasapra usuro.
Careful. You know, Jampeda mama mfatu mbi but also ye.
Parliament kakra bi ubreninti na yejawo. From now abusumi mienu ana aka yenim conduct of aspirants, conduct of party members, sympathizers, any party leaders. Say na eseko.
Simple. We should be measured. Twenty candidates the message. Tre aza onamda or the what woman candidate, that's all. And our candidate no so ka za eba abema ebeyeza boa oman Ghana a onunti MPP from Frank in Kitao. Share za indies for worry in the budget was a by was so sika PPP was what a presidential jet. Really? In one was the presidential jet no yen bia. Wow 24-hour economy me promote program e kan. Mo say one job 3 shifts. Sebi afimu nyina 0. Afọ ekwafo na afarfo ze bakada abeni po ndwene ho. Ehwe budget no ma. So in terms of private sector mpon ankwankra dwumayen incentive or there was ma ankwankra dwumayen fon mpon incentive bi enyo ebio was electricity for one revenue akoso na what we free there revenue na akoso no is because they've increased tariffs by 18% plus. Okay, and software now MPP Abredo was it brought to her for revenue collection or yeah the company Haptel, they criticized Haptel and they themselves are praising Haptel software no? And it's the same software that all born generate revenue. When impose doomsol levy it to petrol 1 liter beer 1 Ghana cedi watch it into mbamba kancha ndo IPPC no says ya mwenye skamuzi choko but you are imposing tax mobile no musi the no taxation so if levy mpo ado and then the doomsol levy are we impose here that means that they are charging Ghanaians far more than 11 na waya hundede no koshe galamsey nsamsemi says that the galamsey no for one because it was it gold board no onumpo no promote galamsey anymore
your gold board no
oh but of course but do they have a system where they are differentiating between regular mining and the gold from there and galamsey gold what or ya putogum fensugum they know what they are doing 107.5 putogum fensugum fantin what's the putogum na fensugum na wonko on hwe for won they are not in any way going to stop galamsey no on for won kra no it's part of the politics I worry on for one. That's what I'm saying there. Look, if you want a budget, I was a bay. It can budget now. There's nothing in it. So far, ye debate, it more than this if was sorry. When you be biaka.
But critics be saying why allocations? The big push. 30.8 billion 24-hour economy 110 million what they are shim and also be creating in Numa 800,000 in 2026.
Oh please in Juman so a big contract so you are saying the contractor of a laborer or a job creation no problem
well two well I said
no me picture there that's what he's saying but I'm asking there this so-called big push. Is it not the same road construction Akufo-Addo was want to be there? Akufo-Addo in the history of the Fourth Republic, 13,000 kilometers plus of roads. It combined with NDC for 180 years under Mahama and Mills, where 4,000 kilometers. Look, Assam Naba, but it will take time. You see, from next year, Ghana football NDC for one brand. This year's I had the MPP for your one in Hisuka into Kasempa and Kofun Shadante because of a debt exchange in Zamokra Nebi. And then these workers free SHS that war in ye. But you yourselves said that free SHS was not possible. Afenyo-Markin was a ban is where we yet. No one about to do. So the last time I got your parliament also, they are a better implementers. Can you imagine?
Because of allocation,
no. So you don't initiate, but you implement. Listen to the logical. As for you, you don't have the dream, you don't have the vision to initiate. But when somebody initiates it, you come and implement. Is that or not? Asuma.
Debbie.
Free SHS Akufo-Addo Shazo can want some in 208. Debia was in atwetwe wo ho was on to me yet na nyipa no be na obeye ya wo yi na ye bia hwe national ID card Kufo introduce NDC by 8 years went to and there if the states if the security agencies are able to track criminals it's because we have an effective national ID system when Akufo-Addo was rolling out the national ID system, it be didn't NDC fine National Identification Authority. What's a drip machines be? It be didn't NDC fine. And the way appointment, we appoint a coordinator for drip.
Drones base.
When Ministry of Health will implement them drones to help with delivery of medical friend and emergencies now to rural areas, what criticize it? And there is the same thing that they are following. By the way, in the history of Ghana's governance, is there any single social intervention policy via NDC Butumaka there they initiated and implemented successfully? Zero. Health insurance, Kufuor's health insurance ban NDC for boycotting the law in parliament. The records are there. In their time, health insurance virtually collapsed. There are a lot of claims in Wontumuntia. It was MPP Abedna Obeya or the technology Beya will introduce a system via Obama will fast track the payments for especially the private health facilities and bisa hospitals in Yina was in Wondese. So what have they done? MPP Eba Bim, apart from the free SHS, MPP also introduced this intervention program for the private sector. One district, one factory. No, the whole aim was to create a tax incentive. Na Nkrofo invests in Ghana. It attracted a lot of investment. Ask NDC there one policy for the private sector. Zero. The trade minister should announce a single private sector initiative. Zero. Ghana Enterprise Agency are set it up to help the informal sector. It's the same thing that they are following. They have not created a new system. If you claim that the CD is stable, I won't take it away from you. But the CD is stable at what cost? You are stabilizing the CD at what cost? By pumping our foreign reserves into the market to stabilize the CD. Is that what you are doing? And you call it savings? Da apontrenino obo say of course. When you order Bank of Ghana that release more forex, you are not allowing the market to determine. You are controlling it. By the way, they are socialists. They are left of center. NDC is a leftist party. So if they believe in state control,
leader to the ordinary Ghanaian no person what saying.
Jame peda me chenye there. Sidina aye stable no is because aban ze oman sika rishem the igwazi no onye stable. Onu inye savings mo man chede sika nche de botum ba ye impuntun because you want to do politics of optics. So you want to stabilize the city, but at what cost? That's the question. Something must give. And don't do that and create an impression that I won't hear. But there's no growth in the economy. Growth in there. EBay, there are more businesses. And Brenton and Ketesia will pay Juma Yeno when you Juma Yewo private sector. But where in Brenton and Ketesia are chasing the same government job, Obia Pedoko police, Obia Pedoko immigration. What it means is that as a government, with tax revenue, you are now going to concentrate a chunk of your tax revenue to pay public sector wages. But you don't create public sector bureaucracies to grow an economy. You to choke. It will get to a point that you will suffocate. Because everybody is waiting for 9 to 5. Ejuma. Regardless. No. So Obia and Chobotu Waka ye ankrankro ejuma no. Also, okay, no, minka ye police be damara. Oh, no, Muslim fire service. That's not how to build an economy. I am interested in a situation where the government announces very ambitious policies. Obe free market na ankrankro enyenkranhye da wo mekoye ejuma. If you say nkukon ketenkete, I am not against creating an opportunity for people to get into poultry at that informal level, but have you put in place the structures? And yet there can say nkuko bear for zashe nkuko boom neke ya mo hin bi there nkuko ketenkete na na wozinyi. That is not, you see share, let's give it time.
Okay, so bring you back to Nakunya. So 2025-2026, Yapon Yakwano no expenditure choices. It will say as a leader,
well, misplaced priorities. Why, if you are going to spend over 12 billion to buy aircrafts, presidential jets, what are you telling me? Presidential jets, whereas the incentives that you need to have for the private sector into implementing 124-hour economy negotiation. 24-hour economy negotiation zero. So for me, I believe that as year enter 26, by June 2026, Ghana for best starting on the Nkrofi. I am be no obada here no, because now the excuses will be no more. You can't give excuse again. What to about more? Afimu. You don't want my excuses there. MPPO. Ah, why? MPP. You can't blame MPP for your own failings. So, for now, they can continue to do their propaganda. You see the metata, our friend, the tax exemption. In your one worker than what they don't give tax exemption. They don't believe in tax exemption. Then you come and give over $10 million tax exemption to one company. Over $10 million in tax exemption to one company. And you rush it. Says there one strategy there. Where you saw certificate of agency was BB Parliament. They don't give MPs opportunity to interrogate it to. What's all they have their numbers. Certificate of agency, now why? History is watching all of this. The time will come for proper accountability.
One majority leader and term at his time, because there is a spectacle of seeming tension.
No, he's doing his work. I mean, he's doing his work. I don't want to personalize it. He's a politician. You see, seeing the heat from Arsenal, I think it is his own strategy of also keeping up. So I don't see it personal. I've been a majority leader before. Maybe I wouldn't have adopted that approach, but it is a style. I can't sit here and condemn him. I don't think.
But you're okay with.
But that is a style,
and you are comfortable with it.
I don't need to be comfortable with it, but I don't also give him comfort. What he's doing tells me and my caucus that we are effective. The fact that they are having sleepless nights tells me that we are doing something right. Oh well, of course, but if you are effective, in the chamber, strength exists only in numbers in their favor. Content favors us.
Baby,
I'm saying,
can you man people for
Messi there, chamber no moon. Say your head count there, what do those are? 1, 2, 3 are Wokita. By a bande Jumazen and Adventura 1 2 win him 1 2 1 win him. A bad the one debater won't do baby.
Parliamentary budget workshop course so meaning say speaker Nasama Okai honorable Abansumana Babin OTE was say
I will respond to that. Speaker is entitled to his views. He is entitled to his views.
But we are all politicians.
We are all politicians. We are all politicians with our different styles, with our communication styles. I don't want to go into what he says on
Speaker Mijao. Proxy.
I don't want to comment on that.
On proxy again.
I don't want to comment on that. I don't want to comment on that. The elections committee has taken his decision. I don't want to get in.
God bless you for your time. And MPP that's it. Oh my Ghana that's it. And I wish you said hi to be up so Drubi and Yankopon. What do we do? Finally, Ghana for you.
Well, MPP for Wabe Mebubu. Mesene Simasam do. Wama Yenya Jezide Achen Zumbui. Yenya Kukudru. Anya na yewo parliament. Just one body. Ejumazina or ye na party onya net offer ne tempo friend. Yabe de mejumazino. Impempre there was a juma shamansa the main yewo parliament as a dom kakrabanu one a Kenzinyi. Mr. Odefo Nebambo.
Ami.
Mr. Yerba.
Ami.
Mr. Odefo Omama Pomezin.
Ami.
Nyansa.
Ami.
Abuta Sonko because party MPP party no answe utira intum ndenyim.
Nimdifo de doso.
Inti no Abuta Sonko na de bia mesre. No wo bompesa wombo bima. Na mendan metri ma party.
Ami.
Osande menyim party zawayam. Medasi.
Mesweda se me atweti lines ni sisi atwa me ba Osayin Alexander Kwame Afenyo-Markin minority leader MP for Futuna TC and Nedin komo we twa musuma ba me ba me atweti lines no comments ahodo ye beje